In this video, I'll show you how to perform a cleaning process on your Canon imageCLASS MF3010. This is very useful when you're trying to print stuff and sometimes it does not get print fully or there's stains on the paper. There is a method in the menu of this printer that will help you get rid of this problem by cleaning the inside. How this is done? Very easy. First of all, insert some A4 size or letter size paper in the cassette over here. Just one is enough. So on this control panel, we're going to first press the menu button, which is the first one here. You're going to see the letter P being on the screen. We need to shuffle with the plus and minus symbol buttons until we see capital C appearing on the screen. I'll press a few times. This is a small c, so we just need to continue. Okay, C, this is for cleaning. Once you see the letter C, you're going to press once on this green button over here, the last one on the right side. And the cleaning process has started. It can take up to 180 seconds according to Canon to clean, so just be patient and come back in 3 or even 5 minutes. Don't touch anything at this point. The process will be done when the paper over here will be out, like that. You can discard it, this is not very important. And you can exit the menu by pressing this first button once again. So this is it. Now you can continue printing and hopefully you won't see any stains or anything weird on the paper that get printed. If you continue seeing these artifacts, I suggest you redo a cleaning, maybe 2, 3 or even 4 or 5 times. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.